This call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance and training purposes.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Hilton Grand Vacations. This is Shalieshia, whom do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
Douglas Quaid.
Sir, did you say your name is Clate?
Yeah.
Is that C-L-A-T-E?
Yes.
Wonderful. And Mr. Clate, what is your last name?
Jamie?
C-H-A-M-I-E?
Yes.
Wonderful. And sir, you're a Hilton Honors member.
No.
No worries. Did you complete your reservation with us today?
No. Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
Sir?
I would like to have a room, please.
You would like to have a room?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Chamney, what happened was you were actually transferred over to me because you had been selected by Hilton to receive up to 70% off of a future destination getaway. And just for listening to your offer, you receive 500 Hilton Honors points.
And you expect me to believe you? You know you're lying.
Well, would you like to go ahead and get to the offer so that you can see what you've qualified for and ask me any questions pertinent to your
I want to ask
thoughts,
you a bunch of questions.
so that you can get
I want
more,
to have them answered immediately.
So that you can get more clarity about what is going on here, because Hilton has qualified for you to receive 70% off. And no, sir, this is not a lie. It's the absolute truth. So would you like to go ahead and move forward?
Yes. I want to ask you a bunch of questions. And I want to have them answered immediately.
No worries. In case we get disconnected, Mr. Chamey, may I have the telephone number, including the area code that you're calling from?
What's in the 2-week package?
Sir?
Yes.
Telephone number and area code, please.
3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5.
323-555.
Yes. 3, 4, 2, 7.
3427. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes!
Wonderful. And sir, for security purposes, what is the address associated, your zip code associated to your home address?
232 Alton Drive. Los Angeles.
32. Okay. What is your zip code in Los Angeles, sir?
8, 7, 3, 4.
Mr. Chaney, unfortunately, your phone is breaking up very, very bad.
8.
Sir, if you are having me on some type of communication device, could you do me a favor and back your mouth away from the phone, or either make some clarity in the phone so that we don't, so that we are on a good level of communication.
Okay.
I'm ready for your zip code.
Worker. This is my job.
You know, I only make $10 an hour, and
You only make $10 an hour?
yes.
Okay. Let me have your zip code, please, for security purposes related to your home address.
8, 7, 3, 4, 2.
Okay, you're missing a number. I have 7342.
8, 7, 3, 4, 2.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for being so patient with me with that. Let me go ahead and see if I can pull up that address to the zip code. And sir, unfortunately, 87342.
I want to ask you a bunch of questions.
I
want to have them answered immediately.
Okay. Answer me this question, please. Answer me this question, please, Mr. Chaney.
I'm looking for someone that lived here a long time ago.
What is the zip code associated with your home address?
29,
7, 4, 5, 3, 2.
I'm in kind of a hurry. Do it now.
Okay.
Mr. Chaney, in order to move forward so that you can get to the offer and you can ask me all of those questions that you like to ask me, I need for you to please verify your zip
Don't call
code
anybody.
associated to your home address for security purposes, okay? And I need to be able to
Let me talk to
understand
your
it,
mother.
Mr. Cheney.
Let me talk to your mother. Get your mother, please.
Unfortunately, she's not here right now, but I am here to assist you if you are willing
Get
to
your
move
mother.
forward and give me a
Where
clear
is
and
she?
communicable zip code
Where
so
is
that
she?
we can move forward with your offer.
Where is she?
She's probably where mothers are, either at church or with her grandkids.
And you expect me to believe you? Well, you must be very proud of yourself.
I am very, very proud of myself. But do you have a zip code for your home address?
29.
7, 5, 3, 4, 2.
Okay, Mr. Cheney, let me do you a favor. Since we are having such a tremendous communication barrier, I'm going to go ahead and see if there's someone that maybe can get a little more clarity, and that way we can move forward with the phone call and get into your package today.
No deal.
Do me a favor and hold on for a second. Thank you.
No deal. No deal.
You.
No deal. Forget it.
Thank you for calling Now Resorts and Spas. My name is Christina. How may I help you today?
Ferreira Jose.
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
I'm sorry, you're breaking up.
I would like to have a room, please.
Okay, what are your travel dates?
February 13th.
From the 13th, how many nights?
What's in the 2-week package?
Okay. And at which resort do you want to stay at?
2029 Romford Road.
Churubusco, Mexico. Mexico.
Okay, which resort?
Churubusco, Mexico.
Okay. I'm sorry, sir. Your phone is breaking up. I can barely understand you.
Mexico. You want names and addresses?
No, just which Dreams Resort.
It doesn't matter.
Whenever you want.
Okay. Okay.
I'm in kind of a hurry.
Okay, let me see what I can find for you.
Okay.
And you just want the hotel or the flight?
Say it again.
You want it with just a hotel or with airfare?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
I'm in kind of a hurry.
Okay, well, let me look it up for you.
Do it now.
Yes, I'm working on it. It's just loading right now. 2 adults, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Just one moment, please.
Come on.
Yeah, because she just saying something on there that if she has to go, she'll go tomorrow.
Okay. The resort, I just looked it up for the Dreams Port of Venturas. The price for the cheapest room is $7,000.17 for the 14 nights.
No.
I'm a construction worker. This is my job.
You know, I only make $10 an hour, and I do not have any money.
And no extra charge.
$50. 200.
Okay, sir. I'm going to disconnect that call right now. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Stop laughing!
Disgusting. Fucking bitch.
Da, 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 da. Take out the papers and the trash. Take out the papers and the trash. Or you don't get no spending cash. If you don't scrap the kitchen floor,
Sunscape Splash,
you ain't gonna rock and roll no more. Yakety yak. Talk back. Reading, writing, arithmetic. Too much homework makes me sick. When it's time to pass the test, kindergarten is the best.
Sunscape Splash, Montego Bay. Unlimited fun for the kid and everyone. Located on a secluded peninsula in
Don't
Montego
be ridiculous.
Thank you for calling Sunscapes Resorts. How may I help you?
I would like to have a room, please.
I'm sorry?
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
Okay, to book a room, or you're trying to find somebody in a room?
What's in the 2-week package?
Okay. Well, I'm not sure. Where are you looking to travel to?
2029 Romford Roads, Churubusco, Mexico. Mexico.
Okay, so going to Mexico. What part of Mexico? What hotel?
It doesn't matter.
Whenever you want.
Well, no, I'm going to need you to choose. It's your vacation. What hotel do you want to go to?
Mexico, Romford Roads.
One more time?
Romford Roads.
Hello?
I'm in kind of a hurry.
Okay, but your phone is breaking up, so I'm not even hearing what you're saying. I'm getting little bits and pieces.
232 Alton Drive, Romford Roads, Churubusco, Mexico.
Okay, and I guess I'm not understanding what you're asking of me. What you want a price on a vacation package, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And where at in Mexico?
It doesn't matter. I don't care.
Okay, well that's not how it works. You have to tell me to where you want a vacation to.
Say it again. Say it again.
Where would you like to vacation to?
Miami.
Churubusco, Mexico.
I'm sorry, I guess I'm not understanding. Can you give us a call back when there's a better phone connection?
No. Do it now. Right now. I want a room. I would like to have a room, please.